there with like twinkle toes.
Aww,
You're watching him now. He's on the ledge. She said the only way out of it, and I quote, I used my teacher voice.
Oh, that's funny.
Which I thought was great.
I had a teacher like that. She'd say, 1, 2, 3, and in your seat you'll be.
Yeah. And it worked, I bet.
It worked.
If you want to see this video, it's pretty amazing. Go to 1013.com. Actually, no. You know what? It's on the Marcus and Corey Instagram right now. Give it a follow.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning on the 50s. That's at 6:50, 7:50, and 8:50 a.m.
And connect now with the Marcus and Corey socials and blogs. That's at 1013.com.
You reminded me of my daughter's theater teacher a few years ago. She would yell out, "Quiet, quiet, quiet. The queen demands quiet."
Good for her.
It's the best. All right, 8:05 comes around. We're going to be playing our trivia game, What You Know About That, and we have tickets for Disney on Ice. These are 4-packs, so if you want to play, call us right
800-1013.
It's on the way next. Let's get your morning started right. It's Lizzo, About Damn Time, Star 1013. Good morning. Thank you for having us on.
San Francisco, San Jose.
Star 1013 is an iHeartRadio station, available everywhere on our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts, all in one.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. This is Star.
today 4 tickets to Disney on Ice presents Into the Magic. You can experience the stories of Moana, Coco, Frozen, the Disney princesses, and more. 13th to 16th, and at the SAP Center, October 19th through the 23rd. Visit DisneyOnIce.com for ticket information.
Say good morning to our contestants. Jennifer is here from San Jose. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Marcus.
What part of San Jose are you from?
Adrian.
Cambrian. Oh, yeah, I know the area. It's my favorite El Pollo Loco right there by the Target. Okay. Cindy, good morning, Michelle.
Good morning.
Here's how it works. Game is simple. 5 trivia questions, 50 seconds to answer them all. Each person going to be asked their hold. Whoever gets the most right answers wins. If you don't know an answer, yell out pass. Time, okay? We're going to put Michelle in Redwood City on hold, and we'll start with Jennifer in San Jose. In which state would you find Black Rock Desert?
Arizona.
When exposed to sunlight, which vitamin does our body produce?
These are dogs.
Okay. Nancy Cartwright and Hank Azaria are voice actors on which TV show?
I know. We'll try King of the Hill.
What kind of juice is used in a mojito cocktail?
Lime juice.
What's the lowest number that Vegas blackjack dealers are required to stand on?
17.
All right. Got an answer for a second. Jennifer goes on hold in San Jose. We go to Michelle in Redwood City.
Hi.
Are you ready? In which state would you find Black Rock Desert?
Goodness. Pass.
When exposed to sunlight, which vitamin does our body produce? Nancy Cartwright and Hank Azaria are voice actors on which TV show?
Family Guy?
What kind of juice is used in a mojito cocktail? The lowest number that Vegas blackjack dealers can stand on.
And on 17.
Going back to number 1, in which state would you find Black Rock Desert?
Nevada.
Okay. Great job, Michelle. Answer for everything. Let's bring back Jennifer there in Cambrian and San Jose and see how we did. In what state would you find Black Rock Desert?
Jennifer said Arizona. Michelle said Nevada. It is Nevada.
When exposed to sunlight, which vitamin does the body produce?
Both Jennifer and Michelle said D as in dog, and it is D.
Great job. Points now, third question. Nancy Cartwright and Hank Azaria are voice actors on which TV show?
It's The Simpsons. However, Jennifer said King of the Hill. Michelle said Family Guy. No points.
No points. Next question. What kind of juice is used in a mojito cocktail?
Jennifer said lime. Michelle said orange. It's lime. So now we are tied at 2-2.
Final question. What is the lowest number that Vegas blackjack dealers are required to stand on?
Correct answer from Jennifer and Michelle was 17. It is 3-3. We are at
Go to the tiebreaker, y'all. I'm going to ask you both the same question at the same time with everybody on the phone. If you know the answer, shout out your name to buzz in. Do not shout out the answer. First person to shout out their name and buzz in gets to answer. If you answer correctly, you win instantly, and you're going to Disney on Ice with the family. If you don't answer correctly, your opponent has a chance to steal. What is the name of the school that Harry Potter attends?
And Michelle.
Jennifer for the win. Hogwarts, and you're going to Disney on Ice. There it is.
There you go. But it was a great first try, Michelle.
Michelle, fire.
You know what I'll be talking about.
Play with us again weekday mornings at 8:05 a.m.
What do you know about that? On Star 1013.
And it's back tomorrow. It's got its own podcast, Marcus and Corey. What you know about that on the free iHeartRadio app. Go download. It's Thursday. Coming up, you might be doing your healthy lifestyle all wrong.
Yeah, we have this study about myths about diet, sleep, and exercise. And normally I kind of roll my eyes at this type of thing, but some of it made sense.
These are legit? Okay. We'll get into it in about 3 minutes. Hang on. Star 1013.
Yeah, look for the light through the pouring rain. Oh, that's a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling strange. Oh,
chia seed pudding out of the fridge, respect.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Second of all, you might be doing it all wrong.
Well, there's some myths about diet exercise. Some of these are common sense. Some of these I totally agree with, and some of them I'm like, So the myth number one is popular diets are everywhere, so they must work. You know, like what's the diet trend this week? Like keto. I did keto for a couple of years.
Yeah.
And yeah, I did lose some weight, but it's not good for you in the long haul.
Dude, my sister's cholesterol number went through the roof.
Well, you're eating a lot of meats.
Love bacon.
And that's the thing. I mean, everything in moderation kind of go crazy with keto, and it's like bacon and cheese and nothing healthy.
That's why we go crazy for it.
But those don't, that's not good because you cut out a lot of fruits because there's sugar in fruit. So, eat right, moderation, exercise, don't do a fat diet. Myth number two, it's okay to take your smartphone to bed. We kind of already knew this. It's bad to be on your phone.
It's a sleep myth.
It's a sleep myth.
Those blue lights will kill you. Of course, I'm talking to you as the guy that literally watches shows on his phone until I fall asleep. So
that's
I'm
terrible.
the worst example.
That's terrible
The
not to do
worst
that.
example.
So it's not okay to take your phone to bed. Myth number three, social media can inspire you to diet and exercise. Actually, it can lead to social comparisons and body dissatisfaction.
Drive you down a body shaming rabbit hole.
It's different. So, like, I have a friend who's constantly posting these insane yoga poses, and she's always in a bikini. I feel bad about myself, and I shouldn't because you know what? She doesn't have a job, so she's got plenty of time to practice.
My mind was blown the day that I watched one of our coworkers take a picture and in post-production, like stretch herself out, give herself like 3 filters. It wasn't even her by the time the picture was done, and she posted it, and it made me sad.
Well, I try not to do that, so I do a daily vlog, a video vlog, and it gives me the option of filtering it, and I don't on purpose because I'm trying to be comfortable with my own skin.
It's good.
And it's like, I don't want to meet somebody and they, you look worse than your video diaries.
There are a lot of people out there where you're like, whoa, that was really heavily filtered, and it's like,
Especially if you're dating on like different websites or apps.
it's easy for me because I'm a dude, right? Ladies.
Well, they don't look real anymore. Like whenever I look on TikTok, I'm like, that's not a real person.
Yeah.
You're so filtered up.
Yeah.
You're an android now.
We're talking about sleep, diet, exercise myths that you need to just drop kick right now. What else?
This one we already know. Hitting snooze helps you get more sleep.
And this morning.
I did too. I did too, and I know better. Because it doesn't matter. You're gonna wake up groggy, and you're gonna stay groggy longer. If you just get up and do it, you wake up sooner or faster.
Easier said than done.
Myth number 5: you can lose belly fat with crunches. This one really resonated with me because I have bought exercise videos specifically. I bought hip hop abs.
I mean, that sounds like fun.
It was fun, but the whole thing is everything you're doing is targeting your abs. Well, sadly, you can't target specific areas to remove fat because in reality, exercise burns fat.
Look, it's gonna build your abs. They'll be in there somewhere.
They're strong.
But you gotta cut down on the cookies.
And my abs are incredible.
Yeah, exactly.
Underneath all of this.
They're in there somewhere.
Myth number 6: it's best to stay in bed when you can't sleep. Actually,
What do they suggest?
they say if you can't sleep for more than 20 minutes, it trains the brain to associate the bed with a lack of sleep. You're better off getting up and doing something boring. But stay off your because that's not going to help you go back to sleep.
Good luck with that.
Reading is probably the best thing you can do.
Yeah, that's great.
And then finally, the last myth: can change your body type.
That's weird.
Your body type is your body type. I mean, if you're, they have all these different shapes. There's like pear shape, you might be a little larger on the bottom, thinner on the top, or you might be hourglass.